Method 1. Turn off the power and open the junction box. Turn the power on. Place the multimeter probes into the two holes on the 2 to 4 connector. Red to brown and black to blue. The meter should show approximately 24 volts. Method 2. Turn the power off. Using the cable coming from the transformer, remove the blue and brown wires from the connector. Turn the power on. Touch the probes to the wire ends, red to brown and blue to black. The meter should read approximately 24 volts. Turn the power off and replace the wires. Red to brown and blue to black.